Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I got the horses in the bag. Horse stock is attached. Head is
And this is long overdue. You guys been asking me to do a custom, so I'm doing like the most easy, hopefully, custom. Travis Scott's video dropped yesterday, or whatever day this video's dropping. They dropped on Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday. I've been meaning to do this for the longest time, but I kind of wanted to wait towards the release. I think they come out. It keeps changing. It was May 3rd, it was May 4th, now it's May 11th. I don't know, maybe if it's still May 4th. I don't know, hopefully they come out sometime this month, but shout out to you guys that got them. I almost had them, but didn't get them. Now I picked these up from Urban Necessities. Shout out to the homie JC when I was in Vegas. So if you guys remember when I was in Vegas doing those videos, this is the reason I got these. I wanted to do a Travis Scott custom that I saw on Instagram. I'd love to shout out whoever inspired me to do this, but I don't know your name. So if it was you, thank you. Now we do have the rookies here, man. This is a sleeper shoe. You can get these still really close to retail. And I mean, a lot of people can't afford the Travis Scotts. I don't know what the official price is gonna be, but hey, I mean, if you could just buy some dye, make a little custom, you got the Travises. Uncle Kyle with the fire visuals. He's right next to me. You can't see him working on something, I don't know. He's gonna paint the other shoe. We're gonna see whose is better. Hopefully they're just equally as good. So we got matching shoes.
Every day from when I go to bingo and calling to hold bingo and
Bro. Oh my God.
Oh. Here, we gotta get that off. It's gonna stain that shit. I was trying to get the whole pour thing, but...
Till I can't no more, we got the horses in the bag.
How much did you put in?
Just a little bit.
Oh, that ain't bad. Yeah.
Wow, that's hilarious. Today is Team Dusty in full effect. At least he took a shower. I ain't taking no shower. I'm just showing up. The weather around Colorado, like, it's 80 degrees one day, and then the next day it's a blizzard, and now it's nice out. It's probably gonna rain and snow later. We don't know. So this was the perfect day to do this custom. This is what the setup looks like. We need these gloves for the one time. Oh, he's getting right into it.
Oh, I'm just trying to see what kind of
Angles.
action I got here.
Got the Sony a7 III. This is what it takes to do customs, man. That's a lot of work. It's got the overhead camera. I got the iPad so I can just kind of see, you know, what I'm working with here. And I'm gonna use this camera to give you guys like little updates. Oh God, I gotta watch Kyle because he's known to just break stuff and
Not true.
the crazy stuff happens. And then, you know, we got the iMac. Need some tunes real quick.
till I can't no more.
I got the horses in the bag. Horse stock is attached.
Let's get it. Quick little break. Cameras are dying. Cameras are overheating. How we looking?
I got blotches, but I think with 4 coats it should look nice.
X, no.
Get the action on that.
Yeah, I see that.
But there's the other.
It's nice.
Yours is really dark, huh?
Yeah. So I've been trying to, I put pretty heavy coats over and over. But I mean, for the most part,
It's coming out. Nice.
yeah, it's coming up. Not bad. I think once all the coats are done, it does look
I think I should take the swoosh off and tape it on.
right.
We should do that, but it backwards.
That would be insane. It'd actually be pretty
I
tight.
think we should try that. You got some razor blades that we could slice them off with?
Yeah.
That'd be sweet.
I'll hit up the store. So we are approaching third and fourth coat. I'm going on the third. Kyle's already at the third. This is kind of what they're gonna look like, man. Super clean, super fire. We're debating on if we want to try to remove the stitching and do that. We'll see. Maybe not for this video, but if we get 20,000 likes, I got you. Hit that thumbs up.
Capono watch me by the end of the year. They don't like me cause they felt when I'm here, it's not my fault. They despair when they feel. Fuck a 2017 for you niggas. Fuck with a game, I don't be in the city. Cut even my
customs are completely done. Look at them on feet. They look ridiculous. Wow. Talk about fire. First custom. Boy. Those look good. What you think?
Yeah, look at them. Turned out really nice.
Real nice, big fella. So I also have these minimal pants. You guys can use my code. Don't even know what it is.
You can use it, but I don't know what it is.
Yeah, let's figure that out. So my code is SneakSnap, which is crazy. That's a crazy code. But you get 10%. These are like the cargo pants, super popular. You'll see what they look like on. I wore these for SneakerCon. And they're comfortable, super fire. So if you guys want to check it out, 10%. I think the code is only up for a few days. So if you want to buy them, I would hurry.
niggas smile at the ocean, we ice skating away. Shell Quan with the figure eight. Niggas acting like they didn't know. You skate with the spirit toe. In California, so I can't burn Burberry. So rockin' on sleep for the culture. The coldest, my whip is gonna move by itself. No driver, my Tesla be soulless. Who gave all the young niggas money? Yo, bitch wanna know us. Yeah, yeah. Bitch, I'm stony. Soulless nigga lonely. She just supposed to be my friend, fuck it, I'm fucking on my homie. I'm still Goldie, even parsing me past golden. Middle fingers up for with them shines, cause nigga that shit OD. Niggas finna start getting hundreds, this is recent, bitch on me. She so many different colors for no reason, bitch on me. Baby diamond changes sudden for the season. Niggas see the world, we gon' be eating Y3, gon' touch every region. Just lost. Looking at the stars, next time they ask for time, we go blind to autumn Mars. No social, fuck it, don't wanna be local. No, wanna fly the world, wanna go slow. In the car, wanna whip on the way. If you a op, get up off my dick, bitch. You got beef with me if you got beef with E. Options on the way, they gon' see the beam. Whips is all around me like it's shit initial D. A86 booming like I'm tackling me. First young nigga get the cream. Hard gold in the soul silver with the limited edition. Babe, DS like dismiss opposition. We scope out suspicions, not zoo and magician.
Look, the flip down screen's awesome for this.
So you can actually see what the heck's going on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed.
No? Alright, let's do it. Got a little sun flare.
Wait, are we ready?
Yeah, we're ready.